guys, welcome back to my channel. Come couponing with me at Walgreens this week. We have amazing deals on paper products. You can get Brawny paper products for $3.49 a piece. We have really good deals as well using this digital booster if you have it. For spend $15, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So I have a couple different scenarios I'm going to share with you. We also have oral care deals for 16 cents a piece. So many great things and a freebie that I found, which I wasn't expecting. So we always love a good freebie. If you guys are new here, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would absolutely love to have you guys as part of my channel. It's completely free. One of my biggest goals is to hit 100,000 on YouTube. That would just be so exciting. I've been doing this since 2019, so that would be a huge goal. Every single one of you guys watching this can help me reach that. And again, it's completely free, so take a second and do that for me if you could. Below in the description box is a completely free printable breakdown, as well as my coupon breakdown template that you guys can download for free. A lot of you guys are not using coupon breakdowns. I cannot stress enough how important it is. I have been couponing for 7-8 years now, and I still use one every single time I go to the store. This is gonna be my game plan, so I know exactly what to do when I'm checking out. If you need help with putting together a coupon breakdown, learning how to find the best deals, I have a completely free live masterclass this week at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So to reserve your seat, that'll be linked below for you in the description box or in the pinned comment as well. It's hosted on Zoom, so once you reserve your seat, you'll get that Zoom link. That way you can tune in live. I do a full Q&A at the end as well, answer every and any question that you guys have to make sure that you're not stuck on your couponing journey, and you can save a couple $100 before the holidays, so that way you can use that to cover your gifts. So let's head inside to Walgreens and take advantage of great deals this week. First, we're gonna start with a really great deal on the expensive deodorant. So we're gonna get Old Spice and Secret. So they're part of the same promotion. They're buy one, get one half off. I don't know why these tags don't show it, but in the weekly ad, you see that they are buy 4, get an $8 register reward. So what you can do is grab 2 of the Old Spice Total Body. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that you're gonna clip. Plus, we can submit this to Ibotta for $2 cash back each. Now we need 4 products to be able to earn back that register reward. So the next 2 products you're gonna grab is the Secret Clinical. You're gonna do all 4 of these in the same transaction. These are buy one, get one half off as well. So the second one will be $4.99. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon for this one. So total for all 4 of these is $35.96. After the $9 in digital coupons comes off, you'll pay $26.96 out of pocket. You can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower your cost. You'll still earn back the $8 register reward, making your net cost $14.96 for all 4 products. Now, if you have this digital booster for spend $15, get $5 in Walgreens cash, you'll be able to earn back another $5 on this transaction. That would make your final net cost $9.96 for all 4 products, or about $2.49 a piece, which is a steal because they started at $10 and $14 a piece. Next, we have a decent deal on Olay bar soap. So they're $8 this week. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. I don't have any digital coupons for this week, which is kind of weird. So total for 3 of them is $24. You would pay that out of pocket, earn back a $5 register reward, then submit to Ibotta for $6 cash back, $2 for each one. Makes your final net cost $13 for all 3 packs. So not the worst deal, but in my opinion, not the best deal. Again, you could stack this with the digital booster. The digital booster is a one-time use though, so you have to pick which way you want to do it. So that would of course make this deal a little bit better. So definitely up to you if you want to grab it. Next deal I'm grabbing is on the Tresemme products. So they're on sale for $6. The styling products up here are included as well. They are $7. You're gonna grab 2 of whatever products that you want. That'll bring you to $12 if you're doing the shampoo and conditioner. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon in the Walgreens app. You're gonna pay $7, get back a $4 register reward, makes them $1.50 a piece. Definitely a stock up price. This is gonna go towards my spend booster that I'm gonna be using. So I just found a freebie. Obviously, I'm always going to keep an eye out for these orange tags. These Got To Be color remixes here are on clearance for just $2.99. I scanned them on Ibotta to see if there's a rebate, and there is for $3 cashback. Limit is 2, so I'm going to grab both of these completely free. Next, we're gonna grab an amazing deal on some Hallmark cards. So last week, I grabbed 2 Hallmark cards, I had a digital coupon, and then this printed at the register. So I'll let you guys know if this is rolling, meaning seeing if we're gonna get another one back when we use it. So you can grab 2 cards that are 2 for $4. You can grab some that are $2.99. I'm gonna grab these money holders because we always need them for giving out gift cards for the holidays. They're 2 for $5. I'm gonna use this coupon. That's gonna make them $1 for 2 or 50 cents a piece, which is perfect for cards. The next deal I'm doing is on my absolute favorite paper towels. It's the Brawny. So these are on sale right now for $6.49. When you buy 2 of them, you're gonna earn back a $5 register reward in store. Plus we have a $1 off 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So for this deal, you would pay $11.98, get back a $5 register reward. That would make them just $3.49 a piece, which I think is a steal for this one. This is gonna be in my digital booster scenario though as well, so let's go over that. All right, this is everything I'm gonna grab in my digital booster scenario. Now you don't have to put the Hallmark cards in there, so if you don't have the coupon or anything like that, just take that out. So total for all these products for me is gonna be $28.98. Obviously, we're well over the $15 mark. After all the coupons come off, I'm gonna wind up paying $18.98 out of pocket. I'm gonna be using $10 in Walgreens cash and a $5 register reward to lower my cost. Because we're at $28.98, if I use $10 in Walgreens cash, now I'm at $18.98 after the store discount. Still above $15, that's why it works, and I'll still get back the $5 in Walgreens cash. So then we're gonna earn back a $5 register reward, a $4 register reward, plus $5 in Walgreens cash from the digital booster. Makes my final net cost $4.98 for all 6 products, or less than $1 a piece, which to me is absolutely insane for paper products. That's how easy it can be to save money on every different type of product that you need when you learn how to find the right deals. I have a completely free live masterclass this week, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Link will be below for you guys in the description box, so that way you can reserve your seat. I'm gonna go over my exact process for how to do this, so make sure that you join. Next, you can grab some oral care for 50 cents for 3 of them, which is an amazing deal. So this week, select products are $3.50. These are gonna be the cheapest ones. Buy 3 in store, get a $5 register reward. So grab 3, use the 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $5.50 out of pocket, earn back a $5 register reward, makes it 50 cents for 3 of them, which is perfect. The next deal you can do is on Colgate toothpaste. So there's 2 different deals depending on the size that you want to grab. What you can do is grab the smaller size here that are $4. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward. You're going to clip the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $4, earn back a $3 register reward, makes them 50 cents a piece. If you like Tom's of Maine, we have a rare deal this week. You can grab the adult toothpaste, or my favorite, you can grab the kids toothpaste here. They're buy 1, get 1 40% off. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So grab 2, clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon in the Walgreens app. You'll pay $7.06, earn back a $4 register reward, makes it $3.06 for 2 of them, or $1.53 a piece. Another great deal on paper products is going to be on the Scott toilet paper, which I personally use all the time. I think it's a decent quality, especially for the price that we get it at. They're regularly $5, on sale buy 1 get 1 half off. So grab 2, that'll bring you to $7.50. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. Makes your final cost $6.50 for 2 of them, or $3.25 a piece. All right, we're back in from Walgreens. I did have a couple digital coupons not come off. I'm not sure why. The app was being a little weird. I have like 1 bar of service when I'm in the store. So sometimes I'm having to like walk around the store to try to get service, to scan the products, to make sure that it works. All of the coupons though should have come off for the products that I purchased, but some of them didn't, unfortunately. So the only way to resolve that is to call Walgreens customer service. Just Google it, that phone number, call them and be like, hey, some digital coupons didn't come off. Can you help me with that? And they'll give you back Walgreens cash, so that way you can use that in the future. So I did 2 transactions today. That's all. Kept it nice, short and sweet. Some of the deals that I showed you in store, I didn't personally stock up on because I didn't need the product. So I try so hard to always practice what I preach. Only do deals on products that you need, or if it's a product that you can flip and resell, then obviously if it's a good deal for you, go for it. So my first transaction was this one. I'm so excited about the paper product deals today. That's amazing. I did the Tresemme and the Brawny.
This was a register reward that I had from last week. Here's the $5 coupon for the Tresemme. The Brawny dollar digital did not come off. Used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $13.73. I did earn back the $5 in Walgreens cash, and then the 19 cents is like the 1% that you get back when you're shopping at Walgreens. So that was great. I did earn back the register rewards as well, the 5 and the 4 for doing these deals that I then rolled immediately into my second transaction. So this transaction, I did the Scott products. I did the 2 Got To Be that wind up being completely free, so why not? And then I did the Hallmark cards, again, something I need. And then that's the other Scott product. So the Scott dollar digital coupon did not come off. And that was the only coupon that was going to be on this transaction. So these are all register rewards that I earned previously. And the $4 was that Hallmark register reward. I used $3 in Walgreens cash. That's all I was able to do to be able to meet that spend amount. Paid $3.77 out of pocket, so low. Then I submitted to Ibotta and got $6 cash back. So it wound up being a small money maker. Focus. Come on. Focus on me. Oh, right there. There we go. Okay. Wound up being a small moneymaker, which is amazing. Let's go home and enter all this information into my digital budget spreadsheet. If you don't have a spreadsheet, you want to take mine, go for it. It's linked below for you guys. It's literally $8. It's a one-time payment and you can use it and copy it for the rest of your life. Just covers the cost of all the software that I need to be able to give that to you guys. It's super easy as well for couponing because it's made specifically for couponing. So let me show you where you put everything in. If you're already in my Everyday Savings Club as well, you'll already have access to that. It is included. So let's do it together so that way you can track your spending. This is key to saving money because now you'll know exactly how much money you're saving. So 2 main things, if you're not saving as much money as you're wanting, there's 2 reasons. You're not using a coupon breakdown, you're not tracking your spending. Fix those 2 things, I guarantee you'll double and triple your savings. So let me show you. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, so the Hallmark deal, I used that $4 Hallmark register reward. Another one did not print, so that one's not rolling, unfortunately. But at the end of the day, last week I got 2 of them for free. It printed that out, and then this week I got 2 of them for $1. So in essence, I got 4 Hallmark cards that I can use for the holidays for $1, which is perfect. So definitely try to do that deal, stock up on cards. That makes it cheaper than the dollar store because the dollar store actually has really good cards. Like tons of words, tons of writing, tons of options for $1 a piece. So that's a good one as well. Okay, let's go to my digital budget spreadsheet. So this is what it looks like. Again, you can grab this below, just click the link. So what I'm gonna do is put in the date. Walgreens sale price. This is all the sale prices of all the products. So my first transaction is $24.98 worth. How much did I pay out of pocket was $13.73. Rewards I used was $8. No gift cards, no cash back on that one. And then I earned back a 4, a 5, and 5. So $14.19. And my second transaction was $41.48. My out-of-pocket cost, how much did you swipe your credit card for at checkout, was $3.77. I used $12 in rewards, no gift cards, got $6 cash back. Rewards I earned back was $5.15. So my first transaction, I saved 45%. My second transaction, I saved 105%, meaning it's a moneymaker deal, which is amazing. So in total, I was able to grab, let's round it up, 40 plus 25 is 65, $66 worth of products. And my cash cost, you just subtract these 2, would be like $12. That's amazing. So this is also going to calculate this for you automatically. So that way at the end of the month, you can open your spreadsheet, see exactly how much money you saved. So you can put some of that towards your holiday fund to cover your gifts, put some of that towards your debt, whatever you guys want to do with it. I still have $90 left in my budget remaining. This is all going to calculate for you too when you grab the spreadsheet. So now I know for my Walmart haul that I'm going to be doing tomorrow, I have enough money to cover the haul that I'm going to be doing. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.